What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tackle on how to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. If you're having this issue on Facebook, then do this method to fix it. First thing you need to do is to check if your Facebook is up to date. Go over to your App Store and search for Facebook. Now, if your Facebook is running in the latest version, then open it. Check if the featured photos is now showing up. If not, then go over to your settings. In here, navigate to the Facebook app and open it. Then under the photos, make sure that you give access to it. Next, launch the Facebook app. Then tap the menu button below. Then click Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Then scroll down to Preferences. Tap the browser option. Then in here, tap on the clear button beside your browsing data. Now, restart the Facebook app and see if the featured photos is now showing on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.